Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Gnan Cloud Garage. In this session, I'm going to talk about what are the use cases and key capabilities of VMware Aria Operations version 8.10. Okay, and here is the agenda. Before we going to talk about use cases and key capabilities of VMware Aria Operations, we have to understand some basic concepts. Okay, so once we understand all basic concepts, then we can talk about use cases and key capabilities. Okay, and customer challenges and solution, and what is VMware Aria Operations. Formally this name is vROps. We can also say vRealize Operations Manager. And why VMware Aria Operations, and why VMware Aria Operations Cloud, and how is vRealize Operations Cloud looks like, and what are the management packs in VMware Aria Operations, and why do we need management pack in Aria operation, and what management packs can be utilized with Aria operations, and how to download the management packs. And then we can talk about VMware Aria operations unified integration, and then we can talk about use cases and capabilities, and finally we can also discuss what are the key benefits of VMware Aria operations 8.10. Okay, so let's start with the first point. So customer challenges, most of the time customers are complaining about their virtual infrastructure alerting. Normally in our vCenter server, we have a vCenter default alarms, but even though there are some advanced alerting, and also if you want to export all the vCenter server report, and if you want to export the performance graphs, and these are and all this information in vCenter level, we have a options, but it will be available only for a single ESXi host level and single virtual machine level. If you want to export all into the one consolidated report, there is no default options. But that kind of facilities, customers are complaining that infrastructure performance problems for all advanced metrics. And advanced metrics means we can also call it as super metrics. For advanced super metrics, and also extracting all the vCenter server level performance graphs and capacity management and planning. Suppose if we do not have this ARIA operations, or we a previous tool, vRealize operations tool, normally capacity management and planning will be like a manually performed task. That means in our vCenter cluster, how many CPU, memory, disk resources are already consumed, and what is the available resources for the upcoming virtual machine onboarding or virtual machines creation. That kind of capacity management and all, if you do not have a vRealize operations manager or ARIA operations, it will be like a tedious job. So that's the reason customers challenges capacity management and planning, infrastructure capacity problems. Capacity problems irrespective of ESXi host level and also the virtual machine level, because some of the virtual machines are over provisioned, some of the virtual machines are configured as a under provision. If you want to segregate which VMs are over provisioned, which VMs are under provisioned, those type of challenges also customers are keep complaining, and those are all the customers pain points. Okay, and monitor and manage infrastructure performance and capacity, and root cause analysis. Normally whenever any ESXi host down or virtual machine is hung, this type of scenarios we need to extract the logs and find the root cause analysis. Usually it may take some time consumption. If you want to verify accurate with the timestamp with the root cause analysis detail, that is also one challenging and time consuming task. And also complaints on our complete virtual infrastructure layer, and also the casting. Casting means, suppose if you are providing a vCenter server, providing any hosting services to tenants, or you are giving a multi-tenants, you are managing as a private cloud services. During the private cloud scenarios, if you want to make the casting for your tenant virtual machines, that is also one challenge. So to address all these customer challenges, VMware come up with a solution. That solution called VMware Aria Operations. And formerly or previously, this tool name called vRealize Operations Manager, or we call it as vROps. But now recently during the VMware Explore 2022, VMware officially changed the vRealize suite name to VMware Aria suite. So that means wherever you have the realized word, this word can be replaced with a Aria now. Okay, so just for our familiar purpose, until we familiarize, we can still keep the word vROps. Okay, and icon is still the same for vROps and VMware Aria Operations. Now, before we start the first point, what is vROps? Let's understand one famous saying from Tom Bittman, Gartner VP analyst. What he says is, virtualization without management, that means without operation management, is more dangerous than not using virtualization in the first place. Okay, it's a true statement. Okay, now let's understand what is VMware Aria Operations. The definition we can understand first. And VMware Aria Operations version 10, 8.10 delivers self-driving IT operations management for private, hybrid cloud and multi-cloud environments in a unified AI, artificial intelligent powered platform. So that's the reason I mentioned in the diagram VMware vRealize operations powered by AI slash ML, machine learning. Okay, and it's offering full stack visibility from physical. That means all your physical ESXi boxes and physical servers can be monitored within this ARIA operations, and also virtual environment. That means virtual machines, clusters, all the virtual center features, and cloud infrastructure. Not only the physical virtual, even the cloud infrastructure also, this tool is visible. That means able to monitor, and including VMs and also the latest app modernization, that means containers to the applications they support. All this can be visible with this ARIA operations tool. Okay, and another point, it provides continuous performance optimization and efficient capacity and cost management and application aware intelligent remediation and integrated configuration and compliance. All this product capabilities. Okay, now further to this definition, another key point is VMware ARIA operation is available as an on-premises, that means within our on-premises data center. And if you want to use this tool for your cloud, it is offering as a SaaS, that means software as a service offering. So normally in your on-premises and cloud environment, this tool can be used. And within our on-premises, generally not only VMware ARIA operation, it will also supported for your VMware other products like ARIA Network Insight. Normally Network Insight also help us to monitor the network specifically for NSX. If you want to monitor traffic flow from one source to another source, end-to-end communication track or traffic flow, we can monitor using ARIA Network Insight. This name also previously vRealize Network Insight, now ARIA Network Insight. Okay, and we also have the automation. This one we already familiar, we talk about in our previous sessions. ARIA automation means vRealize automation, and this is our actual tool, VMware Aria Operations, and Aria Login Site. Previous name is vRealize Login Site. Okay, this is in a on-premises tools. Even when you have Aria operation, other VMware products also can be integrated with Aria operations. Not only on-premises VMware products, even cloud also VMware have a similar kind of tools, but only thing is the actual product name ends with a cloud. That is only the tool name difference. Here we have on-premises ARIA Network Insight. When comes to the cloud, we call it as ARIA Network Insight Cloud. And ARIA automation means ARIA Automation Cloud and ARIA Operations Cloud. This is specifically for a cloud environment, and ARIA Login Site Cloud. So when we have a ARIA Operations Cloud in your cloud environment, we can also able to integrate with other associated VMware cloud products. Okay, that is a default functionality VMware is giving. Not only this highlighted three products, it will also by default it's supported for vCenter Server, ESXi host, and Virtual SAN, NSX, and it will also supported for VMware Skyline, and also it will support for VMware Cloud Health, Tanzu, other products also. Okay, but for our easy understanding, I took the example of three on-premises VMware products and three cloud products. Okay, now so on-premises and the SaaS, this entire infrastructure we consider as a cloud. Specifically for cloud infrastructure, VMware consider as VMware Cloud Management. Okay, and it's supported for a private cloud environment, hybrid cloud environment, and also the multi-cloud environments. Now we are going to focus on this highlighted one, ARIA Operations and ARIA Operations Cloud in this session. Okay, and the other products, login site and network insight, I will explain it separately in the next later sessions. Okay, now let's go to the another point. Why VMware ARIA Operations? Why should I use in our customers environment? The reason for the why VMware ARIA operation is this is one of the leading IT operation management software. That is the first point. And second thing is proven solution from the market leader. So it's already proved previously vRealize operation manager. Now just only the name is changed, but the product functionality, everything is still the same. And only the version is upgraded. Previous version is 8.6. Now the latest version is 8.10. Okay, and it is extensible. That means, as I mentioned just now, it can be extensible from on premises to cloud environment as a SaaS offering, and it can be integrated with other VMware products and also the third party tools. And as per the VMware, this tool able to integrate with 150 plus third party products. Okay, and native console built for VMware cloud, and also enterprise wide monitoring and troubleshooting. Even troubleshooting also pretty simple when you are using VMware ARIA operations in our customers premises. Now let's talk about another point now. Why VMware ARIA operations cloud? This is also same like a operations on premises. This is a cloud environment. So benefits of cloud service for cloud alignment, and it will reduce time to market and accelerate service and innovation delivery, and also reduce the risk, pay what you use, and increase flexibility. Suppose normally the customer's challenge is we already have on-premises VMware ARIA, but for the cloud environments, if they are using multi-cloud, they no need to go for a additional third-party tools. Still, VMware is giving a extensible facility. They can upgrade their license to the SaaS-based licensing ARIA Operations Cloud. Then they can also monitor their multi-cloud environments. So feature parity and easy onboarding and improve the agility. And for this one, SaaS offering means we no need any hardware or no maintenance. That is taken care by VMware in the backend. And dynamic and reliable and scale rapidly. Even if you start with your VMware ARIA Operations Cloud one appliance, even if you want to deploy as a instead of standard, if you want to deploy as an advanced cluster deployment, it can be possible. Okay, so we can scale it rapidly very fast. We can increase the appliances. We can make it from standard to cluster deployment as well. Okay, now another key point is how the vRealize operations cloud looks like. Currently in our VMware website, VMware officially haven't released the ARIA operation cloud console, how it looks like. So that's the reason I took the same as previous cloud console screenshot from the VMware website. Hopefully the similar kind of console for ARIA operations, because VMware ARIA operations is announced recently, but the software is maybe it will be available by this month or by next month. Okay, and if you observe this operations cloud, how the console is looks like compared to left side dashboard, all the panels are compared to previous version, all the tabs are simplified. Now we have home, quick start tab, and operations overview. Within the quick start tab, we can see optimize performance 10 data centers, recurring optimization. See, workload optimization can do right sizing, recommendation, and optimization history. We can see from the optimize performance tab. And as I mentioned, cost management, see cost management, we can verify from the vRealize operations and also the vRealize operations cloud console. And troubleshooting also easy when we are using a vRealize operations or we ARIA operations. And the configuration also pretty simple. And in addition, there is a we can see the dashboards using environment tab. We can visualize the all the infrastructure. Troubleshooting is easy. Optimization can be done using this console, and we can also configure our management packs and also our infrastructure, either it is on premises or cloud. Okay, and automation central, and as well as we have a administration like how many users we can want to give the permission and also the licensing and all we can see from the administration tab. So you can just have a one visualization idea how this tool is console is looks like. Okay, Now let's talk about the management pack, because this is one of the key point. What are the management packs in VMware Aria Operations? Management packs in short form MPs and consist of a pack file, PA key file, that contains default dashboards of the for the objects that the management pack identifies. And after the installation of management pack, we can configure the management pack. Normally, for default VMware products, there is a default integration facility. If you are using a third party tools, like if you want to integrate with public clouds, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, if you want to integrate with Alibaba Cloud, Oracle Cloud, IBM Cloud, or HPE GreenLake, all these products can be integrated using the management packs only. So that point only I highlighting here. Management packs in VMware Aria operation provide the capability for expanding the monitoring, troubleshooting, and remediation functionality of STDC, software defined data center, and third party solutions. Okay, mainly for third party solutions. An administrator can install and configure management packs in the Aria operations instance. Okay, now why do we need management pack in a operations, ARIA operations? The key point is the core VMware ARIA operation provide an insight into the virtual layer of our data center. So this ARIA operations main capability is only to provide the access to the virtual layer. How about if you are using a cloud environment or physical environment, those scenario, this management pack function flexibility and customize allows us to bring in data from different VMware systems. Different VMware system means other VMware third party products we can able to integrate using the management packs. And environment see our stacks performance, scalability, redundancy, and efficiency of our stack. Okay, hope you clear about the importance of management pack. Now, what management packs can be utilized with VMware Aria operations? So as I mentioned, there are 150 plus management packs, workflows, agents, custom dashboards, etc. available from VMware website, or you can also contact the respective third parties. Suppose I want to integrate VMware Avi load balancer. For Avi load balancer, you can download it from VMware website. Suppose I want to integrate with a other third party monitoring tools like Promise, we can Grafana. If you want to integrate with Aria, you can able to download the management pack from the uh, Grafana website, or you can download from the VMware website. This is the two options. And vRealize operations or ARIA operations comes with a native management packs for VMware STDC and other ARIA technologies such as NSX, Virtual SAN, vRealize automation, and so on. All VMware products can be integrated. Okay, because those integrated with native management packs. Okay. Now, another key point is how to download the management packs. All management packs are available on the VMware Marketplace website. Okay. Now, let's talk about what is the unified integration. Let's say normally if you want to integrate with ARIA operation using management pack, the console is looks like this. When you configure the integration, you can see Google Cloud Platform is integrated, AWS is integrated, and also Azure also integrated. That means one accounts are added for individual clouds, and it is integrated with VMware vCenter, and it can be integrated with Microsoft monitoring tool, which is System Center Operations Manager, and HPE servers can be integrated. Login site can be integrated. Dynatrace also can be integrated. Dynatrace also one of the DevOps level monitoring tool, and we can also integrate with App Dynamics, New Relic, and NVIDIA also can be integrated with this tool. And also that there are some other tools like VMware Cloud, NSXT, Cisco UCS, NVIDIA Virtual GPU, Lenovo Computer, that means IBM servers, Datadog, New Relic, and so on. So this is a few example screenshot for our easy understanding. So those integration functionality I've written in the description here, and see easy to manage day to use cases, management packs that needs upgrade, and adapters with connection errors. Okay, when any adapter needs update, there will be some error messages. We need to update those management packs, and easy to consume the endpoint configurations. So like this 150 plus integration capabilities have with this ARIA operations. So that's the reason we mention as unified integration. Okay, now let's talk about the another point. What are the use cases of VMware Aria Operations 8.10? Even 8.10, the main use cases are these four pillars. The first pillar talk about continuous performance optimization and efficient capacity and cost management. Just now we verified in the VRA Operations console, there is a tab for cost management and capacity. And similarly, we have a tab for app aware intelligent remediation and also integrated configuration and compliance. So whatever the key tabs available, those are all the main use cases for the ARIA operations. And those points only I'm highlighted here: continuous performance optimization, efficient capacity planning and cost management, and intelligent remediation and integrated compliance. And last but not the least, next generation operations platform for operational agility. That means this unified ops platform, it can be able to monitor applications, modern applications containers. It can be integrate with the public cloud, VMware cloud, and also the partner cloud platforms, edge environment, and also VMware cloud foundation. So that's the reason I mentioned these points here. Okay, these are all the main use cases of VMware Aria operations. Now let's talk about another point. For these use cases, what is the key capabilities? Let's say this is our use case, continuous performance optimization. That means that capability is automated workload balancing. Same like our vCenter, we have a DRS. So that DRS also functionality uses by vROps. Whatever the DRS functionality is working, that information is captured by the ARIA operations, and continuous and automated workload placement throughout VM lifecycle. So that option also available, and automated host-based placement and driven by business and operational intent, and predictive DRS functionality. Okay, and efficient capacity planning and cost management and other use cases I'm just highlighting here. And now let's talk about the key capability. So for capacity planning and cost management, we have a proactive capacity management. That means upcoming forecast, what is the expectation, prediction, and anticipations. We can find it from the ARIA operations console. And VMware cloud cost management, and also public cloud costing visibility with cloud health integration, and capacity planning across multiple clouds. Okay, and intelligent remediation can be done with a based on the troubleshooting tab. Whatever the vulnerabilities are identified, it will also provide a solution steps. Using those steps, we can able to remediate. That means fix. And integrate compliance. So compliance also, we have VMware cloud configuration and compliance and cloud regulatory compliance, specifically for VMware cloud, and automated configuration management. And next generation app platform for operational agility, the main capabilities are available on premises and also as a service. That means software as a service capability, and the data aggregation across multiple data centers, and continuous availability. Continuous availability means our ARIA operations have a two types of deployment: standard deployment and advanced deployment. Standard means it comes with a one appliance, and advanced deployment means it's like a cluster setup. So in case of one virtual node ARIA operations is down, there will be no impact to the our production. That's why we mention as a continuous availability, and open and extensible platform. Even not only limited with the three nodes, if you want to extend, we can have a facility to extend. And also not only on premises, you can also extend your functionality to the SaaS function. Using SaaS functionality, we can extend to the cloud environments. Okay, that is the key capabilities of VMware Aria Operations version 8.10. Now, finally, let's talk about what are the key benefits. So the key benefit is accelerate service and innovation delivery. That means reduce time to market and automate infrastructure delivery, and improve agility, no hardware and no maintenance. And another benefit is increase flexibility. So reduce the risk and capex to OPEX. Previously, if you are using a physical environment, capital expenditure is costly. That is reduced now. Now it become as a software as a service. That means pay as you go model operational expenditure, and scale rapidly. So dynamically, that means automatically and reliable with VMware SRE support, we can increase. And future ready, so manage traditional and cloud native. So that means this tool is ready for the future, and manage traditional and cloud native workloads across private, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments. Okay, so hope you understand about what is the use cases and the key benefits of VMware Aria Operations. Okay, so let's try to familiarize this new name, Aria Operations version 8.10. Once this is officially available, the download from the VMware website, I will show you the install and configuration in the later sessions. That's it for today. Thank you. If you're watching this video first time, please do view, like, share and subscribe to Gnan Cloud Garage channel. And if you're already subscribed, I appreciate all your support. Bye for now.